Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn something from grammar book again, and as you might be remembering, the first chapter we did was parts of speech, and I hope you have revised it thoroughly and done the exercises. Today we are going to do with the second chapter, that is the sentence and its kinds. So before that we should know what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Complete sense means which should be meaningful, and it should be written in a proper arranged manner, and it should end with a suitable mark. Now we will see its kinds through the slides. So, what are the four types of sentences? The four types of sentences are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence. So, we will see the definitions and examples one by one. The first sentence is known as declarative sentences. What are declarative sentences? These are the most important types of sentences. These sentences will tell you facts, opinions, and other statements. This type of sentence will end with a full stop. Now, declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence, like when we are declaring something, when we are telling about someone or something, and we end it with always a full stop. Examples of declarative sentences. The first example is the sky is blue. So here we are declaring something. We are telling about some fact. What is that? The sky is blue. I am a 5th grade student. Again, it's another fact. We will go to the movie tomorrow. So we are declaring that tomorrow we will go to a movie. He is a great reader. We have a program in the morning. Our class is having a party on Friday. So we have told everything which is going to happen. These are facts. So they are known as declarative sentences. Next, second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. And interrogative sentences ask a question. This type of sentence is usually asked directly to someone. This type of sentence ends with a question mark. So, whenever we ask something, we call it an interrogative sentence, and this type of sentence ends with a question mark. Examples of interrogative sentences are: can you repeat the question? See, the first sentence which we have written is ending with a sign of question mark. So, whenever we put a question mark, it is termed as interrogative sentence. Are we going to have recess today? Again ending with a question mark. What is your favorite movie? Again ending with a question mark. How do you answer this question? Do you have an extra pencil? So here we are asking the question. So it is termed as interrogative sentence. Next is your exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. This is a sentence that has very strong emotion or surprise. Exclamatory sentences express the intense feelings of a person, like when a person is very happy or very sad, we use such sentences to express the such feelings. This type of sentence ends with an exclamation mark. So we put a line and dot below it, so that is an exclamation mark. The examples of exclamatory sentences are: what a beautiful day. So how we just say this particular sentence? What a beautiful day. I am angry. You did a great job. I love the color of your room. You won the prize. That is a huge whale. So here the sentences express your sudden feeling. Means when you say a beautiful day, you are very happy. I'm angry. You are also very having a strong emotion, because whenever you are angry, you know how much what kind of expressions are there. You did a great job, so we are appreciating someone. I love the color. So all these types of statements are ending with an exclamation mark, so we call it an exclamatory sentence. Last, that is the fourth kind of sentence, is an imperative sentence. These sentences express a command. So when you are ordering someone, when you are commanding someone, or when you are making a request or given advice or suggestion. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop. The examples of imperative sentence, like stand at ease. So it's a command. You, in the early morning assembly, you are being asked to stand at ease. That is a command. Always obey the traffic rules. So it's an advice. Please pass me a tissue paper. Now whenever we are adding the word please, it's a sort of request. So these three kinds, command, advice, request, these may be termed as imperative sentence. Now let us identify the four types of sentences. When I say I am a good student, this particular sentence is ending with a full stop, and it is a declaration by some student. Some student is telling about himself that I am a good student. So it is a declarative sentence. Who is your teacher? Now children, you will find this particular sentence is ending with a question mark. So we are asking the question. So what we have learned, when we are asking the question, we term such statement as an interrogative sentence. We won the prize. Now it's a matter of joy that we won the prize. We are very happy. So we are ending with an exclamation mark because we are expressing the feeling. So what kind of sentence we call it? Yes, we call it exclamatory sentence. Last, go out of the class. Now how it seems when I say like this, go out of the class means it's a order. So what kind of sentence it is? It is an imperative sentence where command is there. Now, as we have learned, a declarative sentence, it comes under that only, that is a negative sentence. So, whenever we are having a positive sentence, we are making it into a negative one by adding not. Like, we are adding not to make the positive sentence to negative sentence. Negative sentence is a sentence that states something is false. Like, Rohit will go to school today, it's a positive. Rohit will not go to school today, it's a negative. So we have added not to make the particular positive sentence into a negative one. I like cricket, positive. I do not like cricket, it's a negative. Now, contracted form is what? It is a shortened version of the written and spoken forms of a word, syllable or group word created by omission of internal letters and sound. So generally we will be taking the verb added with not word, and we will be contracted those two words. So present tense, we all know it's something which we do in present, that is a present tense. Like, we are not going to Dubai. So we are stating something. So are not, you may find are is a verb and not is a negative word. So are not will be contracted to aren't, that is AREN, and apostrophe S is must, aren't. Now second is past tense. What is past tense? What we did in the past. So we use the word was. So was not present yesterday. So was not, again verb plus not, that will be contracted to wasn't, WASNT, apostrophe T. What is future? What we'll be doing in the future or what we have planned in the future. I will not go to school tomorrow. So will not, will word reflects the future tense and not is negative. So won't will be WON''T. What is perfect tense? Perfect tense, I have not received the letter. So have not will be contracted to haven't. That is HAVEN''T. So this is the way how we are contracting the negative sentence. So children, I hope you have understood today the sentence and its kinds. Along with that, we did negative sentence and the contracted forms. So children, now your work is that you will go through your chapter thoroughly, go through the examples. After that, you are going to write the definitions of sentence and its kinds along with one example. And after that, you are going to do the exercises in your grammar copy. And if you don't have the grammar copy, you may use your last session copy. And I will be sending you the study material of the first chapter so that you can, those who haven't purchased the book yet, can revise through there. Till then.